Hello friend, today we will see how to configure email in Dream CRM. First, let's log into your Gmail account, then go to My Accounts, click on Security, scroll down, go to Less Secure App Access and make it on. Otherwise, it will not allow us to configure email in CRM. After doing this, you just have to go to your CRM, log in through your user ID, that is Amit, put your password. After login, just go to through your profile, click on here, scroll down, go to settings. Now click on mail accounts. You see here two options. One is mail account and one is outgoing SMTP mail server. First we will configure incoming. Just click on add. Now click on prefer Gmail defaults. It will capture all the information related to Gmail server and all, IMAP, port, etc. So now the first step, just put your name. Username should be your email address. Your password. Please note your password should be correct. After putting a password, you can check a test settings. It will take some time. Now you can see the message, the connection completed successfully, means your Gmail configuration has been done successfully. Make it close. And now select the folders, those who you want to sync with CRM. So inbox has been selected already. Click on trash, just select this. Now you can select on send, just click on done. You can recheck it by test settings or you can just make it done. I am doing make it done. It will take some time and the incoming mail will be configured. Now the incoming has been configured successfully. You can see here it has been added here. Now we will configure outgoing SMTP mail server. For that we have to click again on add. Just select Gmail. Write your name. Again you just have to write your name. And this is the from address. That is dreamatax@gmail.com. Please configure your email address. Then this is all settings. Now again you have to put the email address, now the password. Now you can check a test email whether it has been successfully done or not. So click on send test mail. Now you can select the email address. You need to receive an email. I just configure because it has been open. Rematex@gmail.com. I can click on send. If the password is all corrected, it will send a message. Now you can see an email was sent to the specific email address, means the configuration has been done successfully. So now just make it done. And if I go to my email, now you can see I have received the email from CRM. So this is all about configuration part. Now I make it done. So the configuration part has been completed. If further I want to do add a signature or something, I just again go to signature and click on general, and from here I can create a signature as well. So it's not that tough task, so let's do it later. I just close this. Now all the emails now which we send or receive, it will automatically available in CRM. It will take some time because it sync with your Gmail and with all your email earlier emails. So it take times, depends on your email size. As it is first time, it takes some time because it depends on the size of your inbox, sent, and trash folders, which it syncs. Now it has been done. You can see all the emails which I have in my Gmail inbox. I can see in CRM as well. So all it has been configured properly. Now I can send email from CRM. Like I'll select Amit Singh. I go to the contact Amit Singh. Now I just click on the email address, and here from here I can send email. Test. I can even also select the templates from CRM which are available in CRM. So I just select the one, and while going I can just click on send. The email has been sent successfully. And whatever the email which we send through CRM, it's synced with particular contact which have the particular email address. So the email which I send, email template default, you can see here available in the history panel of CRM. So this is all about CRM configuration, email configuration which we have done. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.